Today I'm going to be replacing my cabin filter on my 2022 Kia EV6. Very straightforward. Let's get started. First, you open up the trunk. Then you remove this liner here. Now we got to open up this cover here. The way you remove the cover is you pull right here on top and just snap it off. Once you're done with that, right in here is another cover for the filter housing. Right here to the left side, there's two tabs. You squeeze the tabs together and pull it out. On the right side, there's a notch. You take it out. Pull out the filter. Definitely needs replacing. Now we do the reverse. The new filter, make sure the arrow on the filter is pointing downward. Slide the filter in. Take the housing cover. Notch goes on the right side. Two tabs go on the left side. Put the notch in, push. Once it clicks, it's in place. Now we put the front cover back in, align the tabs, make sure they snap on, put the liner in, close the front, good to go.